Good job.
Yep.
It's like a beaver. How is this so strong?
Yeah. That's how wood.
It's metal, Hannah.
What's the hatchet or the
wood?
The wood. Yeah.
Because God made it. He made it to be strong. I mean, look, it didn't even break. It just bent.
That's what happens.
Looks like the tail ends here. I think I've been born just hearing this. Don't worry, you'll get bored doing it. You're doing straight. Hannah! Guys. Huh? Guys. X's.
Hannah, go help your brother, please. He's a little stuck. He says his foot's stuck.